So we have got our mirror equation. 1 upon f is nothing but 1 upon u plus 1 upon v, where f is the focal length of the mirror, u is the distance of the object from pole, and v is distance of the image from the pole. Since this is very important question, so let us see once more how do we solve this. So there are only 3 steps involved. Let us see how can we easily solve this equation. So what is the easy way of doing this? So first of all, let us write the distances. First of all, this is our object AB and it is forming an image, this B dash A dash. So this is our image. So first of all, what is the first distance? First distance is the distance between this object and pole, that is called u. And what is the approximation we have taken here? Approximation is here that this MP is not curved but straight, and this is a good approximation when we have very large radius of curvature. So P is here, here is the M point and here is the N point. So this is not curved but straight line. So first of all, what is first distance? B to P. BP is nothing but the distance of object and it is on the left side, so this is minus u. BP is minus u. Now second distance, what is the distance of image? B dash P. B dash P is nothing but V, it is called V. So B dash P is minus V. What is the third distance? Distance between this focus point and pole, FP, that is called F, focal length, and it is also on the left side, so this is also in minus, so minus F. All 3 distances are in negative. So first we have written all these distances. Now we have to solve this problem in 3 steps. What is the first step? So after putting this approximation that this is a straight line and writing these distances, now let us understand what is the first step. So first step, in first step we have to take 2 triangles. What are these 2 triangles? First, this triangle formed by the image and the triangle formed by this mirror and this focus point. So what is the first step? We have taken 2 triangles, triangle formed by the image and focus point and this mirror and focus point. So let us say this is triangle first, this is triangle second. So this is our first step. Now from the corresponding angle, we know if this angle is theta, this angle also be theta. Now let us apply the tan theta. In first triangle, what we get? Tan theta. Tan theta is nothing, is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is B dash A dash divided by this distance B dash F. So in first triangle. Now in second triangle, because this is also equal to tan theta, in second triangle what we have? Perpendicular is PM divided by this distance FP. So this we have applied, and from the figure we can see this PM is equal to AB. This is equal to size of object. So PM is nothing but equal to AB. So let us put AB instead of PM. So this PM becomes AB. Now let us do some algebra. So let us take this downwards. So what we get? B dash A dash upon AB. Instead of AB, let us write this BA. So we can write this BA. So B dash A dash upon AB. From this side, this PM has become AB and this goes this side. So what we get? B dash F upon FP. So this is our equation 1. So this is first step. In first step, what we get? B dash A dash upon BA. This is equal to b dash f upon fp, f upon fp. So this is our first step, b dash f upon fp. Now let us see what is the second step. In the second step, what we have to do, we again have to take two triangles. So first of all, we take this ray 2. So this is falling on this pole and reflecting from this pole. As we know, if this is falling at the pole, if this angle is phi, this angle would also be phi. In this case, again we have to take two triangle. First triangle is this with this object and this pole, object and pole. In the second case, we take this triangle image and this pole. So these two triangles. Now again applying tan theta in these two triangles. In first triangle, so this is our second step. In second step, let us say this is triangle third, this is triangle fourth. So let us apply this in triangle third. So again tan phi is nothing but perpendicular. Perpendicular is AB. Let us write BA. This is perpendicular. Divided by base. Base is BP. Now in triangle 4, what is the perpendicular? B dash A dash divided by this base. Base is B dash P. Base is B dash P. Again, let us do the multiplication and make the form B dash A dash upon BA. So B dash A dash upon BA, this is equal to B dash P upon BP. So we have taken this side. So B dash A upon BA is equal to B dash P divided by BP. So this is the form we have made. So this was our equation 1. Now our equation 2 is nothing but B dash A dash upon BA. This is equal to B dash P divided by BP. So this is our equation 2. So 2 steps we have done. Now in the third step, this problem will be solved. So first of all, let us, since left hand sides are equal, let us put the right hand sides equal. So from first equation we have B dash F divided by FP. This must be equal to this B dash P divided by BP, because left hand sides are equal, then right hand sides all also equal. So this we have put, but there is only one simple problem. FP we know this is minus F, B dash P we know this is minus V, BP we know this is minus U, but B dash F we don't know. So let us write this B dash F in such a form that we can put the values. So let us see from this. So this is whole distance BP and this is the distance BF. This is the distance BF that we know. So if we take this complete distance, this is BF, B dash F, and this is B dash P. So if we minus FP, if we minus this FP from this B dash F, then we get B dash F. So B dash F is nothing but, this B dash F is nothing but this total distance minus this distance. So this total distance is B dash P minus this distance is FP divided by this FP. This is our third step. Now in these 3 steps, this mirror equation is now solved. Now let us remove this part. From these terms, let us put the value. What is B dash P? B dash P is minus V. FP is minus F, and 1 minus is already here. So this is plus F divided by FP. FP is minus F. Right hand side we have B dash P. B dash P is minus V. And what is BP? BP is minus U. So first of all, let us cancel out this minus sign and this plus will become minus. So what is our equation? V minus f upon f, and this side v upon u. Let us cross multiply. After cross multiply, what we get? This uv minus uf, this must be equal to vf. This is our equation. Divide by, let us divide by uvf. So we are dividing this equation by uvf. So what we get? First term we get 1 by f. This is equal to, this is minus, this is 1 by v, minus 1 by v. This must be equal to this side. If we divide, we get 1 by u. So let us take this on this side, 1 by v on the other side. 1 by v if we take on the other side, so this will become plus. So what we get? Our mirror equation. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So there are only 3 steps involved. So what was the first step? Taking these two triangles, not these two. This is third or fourth triangle. So this is triangle 3. This is triangle 4th. So this was step 2, and step 1 was taking these two triangles. These two triangles. So this was triangle first and this is triangle second. Ultimately we have to do it in 3 steps, and what we have to make? We have to make a form of b dash a dash upon b a. This form we have to make, and then we put these two equations equal and put the value of this b dash f in terms of b dash p and fp. These are the 3 simple steps which will give us our mirror equation.